Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set price alerts on Coinbase in 2026. Want to get notified when your favorite crypto hits a specific price? Let me show you how to set price alerts on Coinbase just by following some few simple steps. Now before we start, Coinbase is a secure online platform for buying, selling, and transferring and storing cryptocurrency. And if you want to join this platform, all you gotta do is to go to the Coinbase.com website, and there you're gonna make sure to click on the sign in option if you have an account already, and if you don't, you're gonna click on sign up. And make sure to create an account by entering your information and credentials. And once you create the account, you're gonna make sure to log in. Now, after you log in, on the Coinbase mobile app, search for and select a stock or cryptocurrency. You're gonna use the search bar and select the coin you want alerts for. Then on the coins page, you're gonna tap the notification bell button. You're gonna toggle the star icon to add assets to the watch list and select the icon of a bell with the plus sign. Then you're gonna select add alert. After that, you're gonna enable the price alerts. You can turn on price alerts. You can choose to be notified about significant price movements. And after that, you're gonna make sure push notifications are enabled in both the app and your phone settings. And make sure to choose the price movements and set a price target. And after you finish, you're gonna select the save. You can also receive price alerts by on the Coinbase mobile app just by following these few simple steps, which are to log into the Coinbase account. Then you're gonna select accounts and settings. Then you're gonna click on notification settings. And for predetermined price alerts, you're gonna select price alerts. Then select alert frequency from the drop-down. And for custom price alerts, you're gonna choose the custom alerts and toggle the appropriate switch for push in-app and email notification. So price alerts help you quickly, but don't rely only on notification. Always check the market yourself before making decisions. And that's how you set price alerts on Coinbase. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.